OMNI Street Market. Chicken rice or fish soup. Hi everyone. So we have been asked a lot by our clients who doesn't cook and is staying in Singapore what food choices they can make if they're eating out. So we're going to show you how. Today we are at OMNI Street Market. So what is Singapore famous for? Our chicken rice. The food choices we're going to make today is chicken rice and beef soup. So we bought our food right now, chicken rice, and unfortunately the beef soup is finished. So the alternate to it is our fish soup. So how we bought our chicken rice is we ordered chicken breast without any dressing, no oil, no soy sauce. So this is palm size of it. Nice. And this is our fish soup. The fish soup is the same thing. No oil, no extra soy sauce. Palm size of fish. The chicken rice costs around $5. The fish soup costs around $5.50. Our food in a typical hawker center for chicken rice, they will usually serve you more than 150 grams of chicken breast. That will give you around 50 grams of protein. As for the rice, typical store will serve you around more than 200 grams of cooked rice, which should give you around 50 grams of carbohydrates. As for the fish soup, a typical store will normally serve you less than 100 grams of cooked fish, which give you around lesser than 20 grams of protein. So if you are going to buy fish soup outside, do ask for more fish. Right? Cool. Enjoy!